I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Krita 2 or newer and the AI Generative Fill plugin are active. This matters because newer builds include optimized models. Once done, duplicate your base layer so you keep an original copy, then add a transparent layer for the fill output. You should select precisely where the fill will apply, use polygonal or freehand, and clean edges with a small feather. This first step prevents unwanted changes and speeds up the generation process by isolating the target area. You now write a clear, focused prompt describing what you want in the selection, name subject, style, and any color or lighting notes, because precise prompts guide the model. Next, adjust generation parameters. Increase steps for finer detail, but expect longer times. Fix or randomize the seed for reproducibility. Choose output size relative to your canvas to avoid scaling artifacts, then pick blending mode and set opacity. Make sure to enable mask refinement so generated pixels respect selection edges and transitions. You finish by reviewing the generated fill on the duplicate layer and toggling visibility to compare with the original. Use a soft, low-opacity brush to manually blend any visible seams. If you see odd artifacts or mismatched lighting, make targeted fixes. Lower output size, simplify the prompt, or adjust the seed and rerun. These changes often remove glitches. Finally, save incremental versions and export a flattened copy for sharing. If things go wrong, check GPU drivers and plugin updates as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.